Hey, what's up, family? Hope all is well. Hope you're having an awesome day. I'm finally at a quiet spot in a quiet place in my day that I can sit and dialogue with you guys for a second. Now, as you guys know, I just released a book titled The Recipe for Resilience Reloaded, which is a semi-replica of this book, The Recipe for Resilience. Now, I wrote this book, The Recipe for Resilience. I wrote it, man, actually it evolved over several years. It's some content that I wrote probably 8 years ago, revised it, put it into a better format, just added more value to it, and I packaged it and released this book, The Recipe for Resilience, in 2018. Now, I believe that it's still a good, quick, simple read. I actually spoke with a principal at a school last week, and he told me that a young lady was struggling with reading. He had bought several copies when I went and spoke at his school, and he said that she learned how to read reading this book right here. So she was actually learning how to read, upping her skill game when it comes to reading, but she was actually getting some valuable motivation at the same time. So he reached out to me and thanked me for that. Now, when I wrote that book and when I packaged it and put it together and rewrote it and put it out, I was at a pretty good place in my life. Things were steaming. I had a lot of good things cooking up in the realm of motivational speaking. I was doing a lot of things. I was speaking at a lot of places, traveling around, selling these books, so forth and so on. But to fast forward to 2022, I feel like my growth has been tremendous. My growth has been tremendous. In 2019, I kind of stepped back and didn't do as much travel and speaking. I more or less went into youth advocacy, and I was working in some schools and doing a lot of one-on-one mentoring and just nurturing and building and learning from the youth every day. Not saying this book is youth-based, because it's for everybody. However, it's resonated with a lot of youth. It's provided a lot of motivation and general motivation to a lot of youth, and even to a lot of adults that's read it. But my growth has been amazing since I wrote this book. So that's what motivated me to kind of do the reloaded thing and amp it up a little bit. Now, in the Reloaded Recipe for Resilience, it's a digital book. It's an interactive ebook. You're going to find videos in it. There's some downloadable exercises, and there's even some digital exercises that you guys can do. Now, be looking forward for just more information, more game on what I got in this book, and also what's in the other book. I look forward to speaking with you guys again. Have an awesome and beautiful day, and I look forward to building with you. Peace and love. It's your boy, Dr. Bounce Back. And remember, my purpose is my passion. Peace and love. Have a good one.